How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. Back with another video today. We're out in the yard again here, and I want to give you guys what could possibly be the final update on the Scotts Turf Builder weed and feed. As you guys know, I've done it 2 times this year, and I've had tremendous results. It hasn't worked 100% for me, as in getting rid of all the weeds. It fertilizes great, but I still have some weeds left, but I want to say that could possibly be from mistakes that I had made, not reading the directions properly, especially on the first one. I don't think the grass was wet enough on the first one, and on the second one I disturbed it, which it shouldn't be disturbed for 24 hours, and I disturbed it immediately afterwards, and I had applied Milorganite too. But I've still gotten tremendous results from it anyways. As you guys remember, well, maybe you don't remember, but I had a ton of dandelions and clover and stuff problems this year, and that's pretty well taken care of for the most part. We still got some clover in here. Dandelions are pretty much a thing of the past. They're pretty much past their cycle anyways, but I could look around the lawn here and I don't see any dandelions at all. There is some clover still. I think maybe I'd missed a spot here and there with the spreader. There is a couple small patches yet, but not too bad at all. We still have some other weeds anyhow that I'm not real great at identifying. And they're in rough shape anyways. They're not like they're you know, flourishing or anything. And I've been mowing tall. That helps a ton. If you guys aren't subscribed to Lawn Care Nuts channel and you want to learn how to take care of your lawn better, definitely go check out his videos. You don't necessarily even have to pay for his program, which I'm sure he doesn't like me saying that, but if you just follow the steps that he provides in his videos, it makes a world of difference. Mowing tall, watering, and using Milorganite or an organic fertilizer makes a world of difference. I'll give you guys another look here at the lawn, and at the end of the video I'm going to include some before and after photos from the Scotts Turf Builder weed and feed, which Lawn Care Nut doesn't necessarily recommend. He doesn't recommend those synthetics at all and the weed and feeds and stuff, but I felt in my situation something had to be done. It was overtaken with dandelions especially, so we'll flip the camera around here anyways and give you guys a look. As you guys can see, I just mowed a little bit ago. It was nice and tall and thick and green. Still is. 3.5 inches. Looking much better than what we used to have. That is for sure. I mean, it's in no way a perfect lawn, that's for sure. But worlds of difference from now compared to what it was, you know, in May. I mean, this guy's lawn over here across the road, and my lawn was basically the same as his. I mean, he doesn't have a lot of dandelions right now either, but he's got a ton of clover. And we have way less over here. So that, as a, you know, graph right there, should show you the difference it's making. Synthetics, though, if you're going to go buy Scotts Turf Builder weed and feed just because of this video, it's synthetic, so you got to be careful. You can't over apply it, it'll burn your lawn. But as you can see, it works. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you're new here, subscribe. We're coming out with these videos all the time, a couple times a week at least. And leave a like on the video. If we could get this video to 20 likes, that'd be great. It helps the channel out a ton. 20 likes isn't much. We get you know, quite a few views on these lawn videos anyhow. So leave a like on the video. It helps me and the channel out a ton, helps us grow, and helps us do more stuff around here. Comment down below what you guys think of the progress of the lawn here. Let me know if you guys have ever used it before. I haven't been getting a ton of feedback on some of the later videos here, so if you could do that, that's great too. And yeah, subscribe, click the bell, you get a notification every time I do one of these videos.